Ang Pilipinas ay ang pinakamalaking Kristiyanong bansa sa Asia kung saan ang iyong Pangulong Duterte ang namamahala para sa mas ikabubuti nito. Ano ang iyong masasabi o saloobin sa bagong batas na pinasang bitay o kamatayan?
Thank you for that question. I perfectly understand that I am a Christian. In our country, Philippines is the biggest Christian country in Asia. If death penalty means saving a lot of people from a certain criminal, then let it be. For we are saving this world or for saving our lives by imposing this law. And why would you worry of death penalty if you are not doing anything bad? Doesn't it make any sense? Thank you.